Welcome to Olaf's Oldtimer. As the name of the channel and previous videos tell you, we talk about oldtimers. Not today. It's almost 7 p.m. It's 27 degrees outside. And I'm driving in this S212 with all windows open because we have an issue with the air conditioning, and not necessarily only with the air condition, but with the whole system. So if you want to take a look down here, it looks fine so far, but whatever I push, not that much of a difference. I can hear some humming inside the system, but no air is coming out of any vent. So let's go to our old friend Thomas and try to find some error codes in the system, and hopefully find the error, and hopefully it's a quick fix and not exchange of some huge model which will cost a fortune. So join me. Of course, first idea is check the fuses, the breakers. But I wonder where it tells me which fuse is for which circuit. Very interesting once again. The book tells me, please look where the spare tire is. There you will find which fuse is what for. So, believe it or not, yeah, there seems to be another booklet. Fuse allocation. Bingo.
Ein Fehler gefunden. Ja.
Okay, we are
Zwei Fehler gefunden.
checking the system, and it already found 2 errors, and this now is the plan. We're looking for Lüfter, Klimaanlage, Heizung 12 und 66.
Ja, weiter. Lichthupe. Klimaanlage.
Fond, ja. 66 auch?
66.
66.
66. Wo, welche 66? Hier hinten 66?
66.
8, 56.
Und zwar in the right side of the boot. Kofferraum rechts.
66. Kofferraum rechts. Also dahinter.
Aha.
So, welche ist jetzt 66? 80, 56, 58, 59.
66. Unten rechts. 7,5. Der.
7,5. Ja, dann versuch mal.
Da ist noch so ein kleiner Haken vor.
Warum machen die sowas? Warte mal, ich mach mal Licht an. Dann sehe ich 6 Fehler schon. Dann sehe ich ja auch, ob sie kaputt ist. Die ist heile. Das ist eine 7,5er. Die ist heile. Wobei, nee, warte mal.
Komm, die kriegen wir doch gezogen.
Ja, die kriegen wir gezogen. Oh, 6 Fehler gefunden.
So, the system is up to 6 errors now. The question is why for this fuse we have... Hat die Zündung aus zufällig? Ja. probably ignition is on. So ignition is still on because we're still analyzing.
Da ist auch nichts verbrannt, gar nichts.
Okay. Okay. Was not this fuse? Wahrscheinlich. Ja.
Die Seite.
Okay. Immer noch was?
So, 66.
Klima 12. So, there was another fuse, number 12, and in this case you had to turn this plan. We checked this one out, number 12 in here. It's okay too, so back to ground 0. And the system is still checking. So, making progress. We had 6 errors. 3 were directly related to the air conditioning. 1 was related to... Oh, that's interesting. Oh, the hood is not closed correctly.
Okay,
1 was in connection with the wipers, and 1 I didn't understand at all. So now I have to release the hood again and close it properly. Not a new issue. Intensive diagnosis going on. Carly is doing its job. In the meantime, we checked the wipers, front and back both work. Now we are going to delete the errors and see what happens. Sometimes it cures the system. So all errors deleted in the system, everything closed.
Ihr müsst jetzt anspringen. Was machst du mit Reset?
Nix. Habe ich noch nie genommen. Well, we can hear something moving, but we get no air. Wait. In the back, the fan is moving.
Der ging vorhin nicht.
Der war ausgedreht. So that's only irritating. So for the back of the car the fan moves, but not the front. Yeah. So here we are. We restarted the car. And 1 error came back up, and it was related to the air conditioning. It said something about heating, which is not really the issue, but well, all fuses are good. So I opened here in the passenger side the cover below, and here we can see the fan. It looks good and everything looks dry, because when I last washed the car I saw some drops on the floor, but I can't see any remains of humidity in here. All the plugs look good, all the cables look good, but of course this motor, it's a bit warm, but then we had a hot day, is warm, and everything in here looks just perfectly all right. I just wanted to mention that not Thomas, but Mr. Genius here took this regulator out, and it's boiling hot. and that's not a good sign. What we try to do now is to touch the fan wheel to see if that's turning. I didn't manage. I guess Thomas will find a way, and I'll now Google what this it's a hot part costs, because probably this bear made part is the bad guy, and that would be pretty cool because it was easily accessible. As you can see here, it's not screwed in. You only have to pull out the plug, turn it out, and you got it.
Nicht rein, wenn ich den Pollenfilter rausnehme.
Thomas' hand is too big also. Well, look at this. The eBay part is available. Don't know if it's going to focus. 35 bucks from Bear Hella Service, or 248 from Mercedes. Turned out that we had to take the filter out, and through this opening we could touch the fan itself, and it turned very bad. After some tries it came loose. Now we're going to try to run it, because maybe this regulator only got hot because the fan didn't move. Huh. Nice try. Okay, we reassembled. Yeah, shit. The fan got stuck for whatever reason. The regulator, nothing, just the fan.
Ja.
Just the fan got stuck. Damn. So, in German you would say, der Wiedereinbau erfolgt in umgekehrter Reihenfolge. Yeah, we already reattached the sensor, which is
Da oben.
Licht.
Licht ist hier.
Light, which is here, detecting the air quality. Already reinstalled this regulator. Oh, I still have to install the filter, and then just reassemble the whole thing. The Carly system is at 80%, still checking for errors. Thomas deleted the remaining error because of course there was an error left because we hadn't attached all the sensors. Now everything is back together. I'm soaked in sweat, and that would be kind of a miracle if just turning the fan once by hand would solve this issue. That would be cool. 26 degrees outside. Air conditioning is not smelling good. Riecht scheiße. Gibt sich aber schnell. But as we can hear, it's blowing. And it's cooling. Kommt kalte Luft. Health condition, well. A miracle happened. Car is fixed. So thank you for watching. See you later. Stay safe and healthy. Have a good night. Just a little postscriptum. It worked all fine. The repair of the fan on my way back, everything was fine. When I drove to work today, 100 miles later, nothing. Well, nothing is not correct. I had some air coming out of the vents, but not full power of the fan. So I just ordered online a new fan today for about 80 euros. Will take 2 or 3 days to arrive. Then I will put this one in. Either then the system is fixed, or this little part that controls the fan is broken. Then I also need to reorder that one. but one at a time. It's not that bad to access, so we will see.